In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Shop Now button on Shopify, quick and easy. First, log into your Shopify Admin so you're on the main dashboard. If you see any guided highlight or prompt drawing your attention to navigation, go ahead and follow it so you're in the standard left-hand menu. From there, make sure you're on Home so you can clearly see your sales channels and storefront options. Next, open Online Store from the left sidebar. This is where your themes live. Find your current theme and choose Edit Theme or Customize depending on what your theme calls it. This opens the theme editor, where you'll make visual changes to your storefront without touching any code. Inside the editor, look for the Home Page section that features your hero or banner area. In many themes, this might be labeled something like Image Banner, or may display sample text such as Browse our latest products. Click that section to open its settings. If you already have a button visible in this banner, it might currently read Shop All. Click that existing button option so you can edit it. In the button settings, find the label or text field and type the wording you want customers to see. Shop Now is a great choice because it's short, clear, and action-oriented. Keep it concise so it stays readable on mobile. Right below or beside the label, you should see a link field. Click Link to select where the button should send people. When the link picker opens, choose Products, then select All Products. This ensures your button takes shoppers straight to your full catalog, which is perfect for a general Shop Now call to action. If you prefer to point to a specific collection later, you can always return here and change the link. But for now, All Products keeps things simple and effective. Before you leave, hit Save in the top right of the editor. Saving applies your changes to the theme you're editing. If you're working on a draft theme, remember to preview it to confirm everything looks right, and publish it when you're ready so customers can see the update. A few quick tips to wrap up. After saving, use the device preview controls in the editor to check how the button looks on desktop and mobile. If the button is hard to read, adjust the banner image overlay or button style in your theme settings so the contrast is strong. If your theme uses different wording for the same areas, the steps are the same. Open the homepage banner, edit the button label, set the link to Products, All Products, and save. That's it. Your Shop Now button is live and ready.